Praxis Continuing Education and Training offers evidence-based professional development for mental health professionals. We provide live, online, and on-demand workshops in contemporary behavioral therapies conducted by leading peer-reviewed trainers. Praxis is the place to come for acceptance and commitment therapy training. We offer many workshops with seasoned ACT trainers, including several with the originator of ACT itself, Stephen C. Hayes. Additional live and online workshops feature ACT co-founders Kelly Wilson and Kirk Strausel and Master ACT trainer Robin Walzer, among many other leaders in the ACT community. Our ACT trainings include our flagship event, the immersive 4-day ACT BootCamp, and many other ACT training opportunities throughout the year. Whatever your level of proficiency is in ACT, including if you're just getting started, we've got a training that will meet your needs. Behavior analysts can also access training in ACT with several programs, including our ACT BootCamp for Behavior Analysts, which covers the roots of ACT, relational frame theory, and functional contextualism, and how BAs can apply these skills with specific populations. We offer two types of online training to fit the busy schedules of mental health professionals. Scheduled live courses are designed so attendees can participate using their computer camera and microphone to interact with the course trainer and other students in a real-time setting at scheduled dates and times. Flexible on-demand courses are pre-recorded and allow registrants to log in and learn at their convenience and at their pace, and review the material as many times as needed. You'll test your knowledge along the way with quizzes that have been integrated directly with the training itself. All of our trainings feature easy online registration, expert trainers, seamless continuing education certification, and easy-to-access presentation materials. For the latest in Praxis videos, please visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Praxis TV. Visit praxiscet.com and find a training that's right for you. Praxis Continuing Education and Training. Many voices, one work.